I'm Melissa, and today I'm going to teach you how to strengthen your ankles with inexpensive exercise equipment. So if you like this video and you want more, go to my YouTube channel and click subscribe. Today I'm going to teach you how to use tubing to strengthen your ankles. Now here's the thing, I've had my fair share of ankle sprains, and I'm sure you guys have too. And you guys have probably done where you're walking and all of a sudden go, and then you sprain your ankle and kind of limp it off. But there are times when limping it off doesn't work. That's where you want to do some strengthening for your ankles just to get over that hurdle, because most people just take it for granted. So you are going to need tubing. Now if you have a latex allergy, this brand here that I have, which is TheraBand, is not going to be appropriate for you. I can't remember off the top of my head the name of the latex-free version. I will put that in the description for those of you who are concerned and have that allergy and don't want to have any issues with that. Okay, so the strength in the tubing is based on the color. So the lighter the color, the lighter the resistance, less the resistance. The darker the color, the heavier the resistance. So green is kind of middle halfway. So it goes yellow, red, green, blue, black. If you are interested in that, you'll know what to use. So this again is a TheraBand brand. It's good, and if you're not sure, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, you can make handles yourself. I'll include the link as well in there so you guys know how to take care of that. So with this guy, once you got the handles made, we're gonna need to make sure you can find some place around your home that's gonna be sturdy enough to hold you up, because we're gonna wrap this around something that's not gonna move, and we're gonna be seated to do this exercise, and we're gonna pull, and we just don't want things to fly around. So let's go find a spot and go from there. What you're gonna do is find something that you can wrap your tubing through. So I just have it through the metal post over here with our weight rack, and I just slip this around the leg of it, and then I just fed it through like so. All right, so now that we've got the tubing anchored with the one handle, we're going to take the other remaining handle and we're going to slip that onto our foot. Okay, so you can keep it around the middle of the foot where the arch is, or a little bit higher up. Just be careful, it's higher up by the forefoot, it may slip off. Okay, so what you want to do is find a nice spot that you're at a good height. You also want to make sure that the tubing isn't angled, it's not coming up too high or too low, so kind of Goldilocks. And all you're going to do is toes are always pointing straight ahead. Okay, this one you may actually want to lean forward a bit so you can put your weight through, just to kind of hold and stabilize things in place. Your left knee is going to be above your left heel. You're going to lift up the toes just a hair, okay? And all you're going to do is, so you're putting the weight through here, is you're going to pivot inwards, okay? Yeah, there you go. Now you don't want to go, this is the wrong way, is by going like this, okay? That's not a true ankle movement. So we're going to, again, stabilize here. This is kind of easier in socks. In here, just gonna flip it to this side so you guys can see. All right, same body setup, okay? And we're going to hold that like so. Now, if you want to intensify this more, you can pull your leg farther away. So this is anything with the tubing, and that's considered an exercise. So what you guys want to do is make sure that you don't do this every day, because the structures in your body, they need to rest and recover. At least a day's rest in between workouts so you can recover. If it doesn't, then you're going to find you can't bounce back, you feel weaker than before, and you feel drained and you just can't keep up, okay? So again, you can't do this exercise every day, and you have to have at least 1 day's rest in between. And that's just basic resistance training.